My name is Saurab, and I am having around 13 years of corporate experience. So today I am going to continue my learnings from the book Deep Work by Cal Newport. So before beginning, let me recap what we discussed in the last session. So in last session, we discussed that we in our life are surrounded by so much distractions or technological advancements that is making our life easier, but uh, it has created a fear that we may be replaced by machines. So the author, he says that only three type of people can thrive uh, in this sort of scenario and or this sort of economy. These are the one who has the access to the capital or who themselves have the capitals. The second type of people uh, were those who can collaborate with the machine and can produce elite or good result. And third is the superstar level, where we can focus or we can move ourselves to that level. So for doing that, we have to quickly master new things or we have to produce at an elite level. So these were the recap from the last session. And since we know that the technology has made our life easier also, so our task, they are divided into two main categories. The one is deep work and another is shallow work. So by deep work, what we mean is it is a professional activity that is performed in a state of distraction free and concentration that pushes our cognitive capabilities to their limit. So these efforts create a new value and improve our skill. And moreover, shallow work, it is non-cognitively demanding, logistically style tasks that are performed while we are distracted. So in our day-to-day routine or in our office work, we are mostly surrounded by shallow work, like responding to emails, creating reports, and these kind of tasks, they take most of our time. So we have to consciously do some efforts to diminish the time that we spent on shallow work so that we can spend or focus ourselves to spend our time on deep work so that we can improve our skills and we can create some value. So the author says that there is a new law of productivity that states that high quality work produced is equal to the time spent and intensity of focus. So it is high quality work is equal to the time spent into our intensity of focus. So by that we can produce high quality work. But there are a few things that get in between ourselves to stop us from doing the deep work. These are our daily interruptions, like emails, our mobile, our gaming platforms, where we spend our day-to-day time, and those are means not a meaningful work. Those are not meaningful work. The second is inefficient and poorly scheduled meeting that sometimes are not required. And there's a team culture that is building up a lot during these days, is everything is becoming urgent and everything is needing an urgent response. So that is also allowing us to go more towards the shallow work, not towards the deep work, and lack of support for development of deep work skills. So how we can get to deep work and how we can outcome from this, we will discuss in our next discussion. Over to you, Karthik.
Thank you so much, Saurabh. I mean, it is very applicable what you said for the current culture. Everything has become urgent. Every work has needs urgent response. So, just deviating from the topic before I let the audience ask any questions if they have. So, I think some of you know Saurabh joined our book club from 2020 May or June, I guess. So you joined till almost 2 years, and then you took some few months break last year, and again you rejoined this year, right? So I want to ask two questions here. So why did you rejoin back, and what was your state of mind maybe in the year you didn't join, like last 10 months in the last year? How was it?
So in the last year, when I took a break from our club, it was because I switched my job. So my focus and my most of the time was uh, involved in my job. And the kind of routine that I am having, it is more kind of shallow. So I think around most of my day was going in this emailing and everything, and I was losing focus. So maybe most of you are not aware that today there's a holiday on 26th, but I'm still working because I'm backup for few folks. So I want to get out of this shallow kind of mindset. So just hop back into the community.
Great to know, Saurabh. Thank you so much.